New York Times is worried that kids are playing too many video games during the pandemic. And Kotaku is upset at the New York Times for suggesting such a thing. Specifically, Zach, he says, hey, man, video games are like the only thing we can do. Sheesh. Right. Obviously, the New York Times take was I presume, a little more targeted at the dangers of too much screen time, which there is that piece as well. There's both sides to it, as usual. But I'm sort of more on the side right now of, global pandemic. I know all my kids' sports got canceled. There's just not a lot to do. And for the record, they singled out kids. No. Everybody's playing too much right now.
Yeah.
Look at the GPU prices. Look at the consoles. Look at how fired up everybody was getting over Cyberpunk and how their whole life was meaningless now because it didn't work out.
Yes.
People are gaming right now because they're... What do you want them to do? I mean, you can go for a walk so many times, but I came over here and you're watching snowboarding videos because you can't even go snowboarding.
Yeah.
So you're just watching a guy snowboard. You got the screen time. What's the difference? Everybody's trying to pretend they're not locked up right now. And people are practically... It's a type of... it's not a quarantine, but it's close.
Yeah.
And so people are doing what they can to get by, and the video games are acting as kind of a useful distraction for those that the monotony is building up.
And escape, whether it's good or bad, in their reality.
Yeah,
they can actually escape.
Yeah, reality's a bit strange right now. But anyway, you know me, Will. I still recommend, if you can get out, take the walk, or even just around a block, take a break.
Yeah.
Just a variety of things, so it's not just zoned in on the one specific, read a book, whatever. So I understand the merit of both sides, but I would say this is one of those circumstances where it's a little bit more justified than usual. That's what I would say.